I'm Jan Hendrik. Okay, so this will be part 3 of the limp mode. Still struggling. Last night we installed the app sensor, and the limp mode just came back as it wants, so it doesn't have a fixed thing yet. I'm still struggling, so I'm gonna start at the wiring of it and then check from there onwards where I can find another problem. Okay, so weird thing, I've just started it, and yeah, limp mode is off when I switch it off, but as soon as the ref goes above 3000, the limp mode comes back. So let me show you what's happening. Okay, so just started it and it's idling. The idling is almost fine. As you can see, limp mode is back on and temperature is almost fine, and the idling ref is also almost fine. Okay, so I'm gonna switch it off, and then as I put it back on, the limp mode is gone. So if I start it, it's out of limp mode. So yeah, I'm gonna struggle with this. Let me just ref it. See, it's still fine. As soon as I go past 3000, or not this time. Let's do it again. See, there it came back. Okay, so that is where I will start. So I'm gonna start checking wirings, and yeah, thumbs up for helping, and thank you guys for all of your support and advice. I have to say it like this: thank you for all your support and advice. You guys are helping me a lot. One other thing is, when the car is off and you hit the accelerator pedal, it comes back on. You fully depress it. Let me show you. So it's off. I'm switching it on, then it's gone, and I'm pressing the accelerator pedal and keeping it down, then it comes back on. Okay, so I'm calling it a night. I've tracked some logs through the throttle body, air intake and the pedal sensor. I've sent it off to a friend who understands it more than me. Hopefully we'll get the problem and let me know, and then I will try to sort it out from there. This video will continue whenever I have the information. Finally, some daytime to search. Okay, so this is a couple of days later, and I'm testing the wires. I'm still testing the wires. So I'm checking myself again. Next up, I have to check the connectivity or the wiring to the ECU from the map sensor, and I'm gonna test the throttle body to the ECU as well. So I took everything apart again, cleaned it, and now putting it back together and then check codes again. I just want to take a second and backtrack. We went back to the manual, the workshop manual, and we followed all of these steps. They actually point you in the correct direction, where to search, what to search, how to search, and how to check. They explain each wire, each pin. So if you don't have a workshop manual, get one. It will help you a lot. Okay, so first drive after 3 weeks, except for the other night when we drove it just 20 meters down the street. Let's see how it goes. So here we go. Okay, here we go. Toes, all 10 of them crossed. Fingers, all 10 of them are crossed. Let's see what's happening.
Focus. Focus. Focus.
It's fine. Maar jy neem nie.
Huh?
Wat jy doen? Hey, panels, 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 tools.
Looking fine.
Yeah, all good. It's good, it's good, it's good. Panels, panels, panels. Just gonna throw these.
I think it's blurry because the window is dirty.
The whole car is dirty, not on the outside, but the inside as well. Okay.
Yeah, it wasn't driving for like 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Are you busy with the panels?
Huh?
I'm asking, are you busy with the panels? Moving the panels. Lekker man. Da vat hy.
Okay, I'm gonna do another lap.
Oh, just to make sure.
Yeah. I missed this. Okay, that's 1.2 kilometers. I'm just gonna try to get it up to 5 kilometers at least for a check. I think 5K is a good check. So I'm just gonna go up the estate as well. Okay. Net af hierso tot by die sirkel onder. I love it. Okay, so dayzee is fixed. I'll sit down and explain to you guys how is it possible. I still don't know, but I can tell you what I did. So please stay tuned. I'm going to explain inside. To explain what I did, I got the idea of the app sensor and I slotted holes on the sides, so you can retard or excel the voltage or resistance. So I thought maybe we can retard that because of the logs told me that there's too much voltage going through. So I tried to retard it. I tried 3 different positions. At full, basically where it's reading the highest voltage, I've tried horizontal, basically where it's in the middle, and the retard position where it's at its least open. So the codes I show in here is those 3, and then after I've done these, all the limp mode did not disappear. So I thought, okay, let's try it again, but with the old sensor. I replaced the old sensor with the new one and did not the same. I actually saw that it left marks where it was. So I installed it on the closest I could get and put it back on, and no lights on the dash. So then I ran the diagnose test again and only saw this. So I saw 2 codes, accelerator pedal sensor 1 and 2, and I've cleared the codes, and after that no codes. Wow. And after the codes has been removed, I switched it on, checked it, and switched it off. That's it. So the workshop manual explains if you disconnect the app sensor, the MAF sensor, the throttle body sensor, all of those parts, you need to calibrate or relearn them. The ECU needs to know where the position of these parts, the electronic components, are. So do the relearn before you start the car. So after you have done, they call it the pedal dance. So there's 3 different procedures to follow. The airflow, the throttle body position, and also the app sensor position. So follow those 3, and then after the last one, Then they step out that you need to start the motor and let it warm up, ref it a few times, check if the ref is up to spec. So in the workshop manual they say also what the spec should be. That should be 650 plus minus 50. So there is where the ref limiter should be. After that, if that's fine, the idle speed is correct, take it for a test drive. And that's what I did. And everything went fine, and it's out of limp mode. So now, let's see how long it will stay like that. Thank you for watching, guys. I really hope this will help someone in the future. That's why I upload it. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to see the future footage. Next up, I believe it will be the clutch line installment. Thank you, guys.